Before we jump into the section about electrochemical reactions, we have to have a look at the revision of oxidation and reduction. The first thing to remember is that oxidation involves the loss of electrons, whereas reduction is the opposite and it involves the gain of electrons. An easy way to remember this is through the acronym OIL-RIG. The reason being is because oxidation is loss, but reduction is gain. An important thing to remember is that both oxidation and reduction are only half reactions. You need to combine both reactions to get the full and final reaction that would occur. Additionally, both reactions involve a transfer of electrons. Examples of oxidation and reduction reactions are given here below, where zinc will then form a zinc ion plus 2 electrons. But what you should notice is that as the zinc gives off the electrons, it is taken up by another compound, and that is in the form of copper, where copper will gain the electron to then form a compound. What this means is that the Cu2+ is being reduced, but at the same time, the zinc is going to be oxidized. But the trick comes when you're trying to identify what is the reducing agent and the oxidizing agent. The compound that is going to be oxidized is then known as the reducing agent, and the compound that is going to be reduced is then known as the oxidizing agent. You have to make sure that you understand that the names kind of switch around, which is very weird, but please make sure that you understand how to identify these. So in essence, the compound that loses electrons is the reducing agent, and the compound that gains electrons is the oxidizing agent. This concludes this section of work, and in the next video we're going to discuss how to write redox reactions and the half reactions.